Homes currently on the market have averaged 38 days for sale, signaling that while buyers are gaining a bit more time to evaluate homes compared to the fast-paced markets of yesteryear, desirable and well-priced properties are still moving quickly. It's Friday, May 15th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. For buyers, the Annapolis market continues to remain challenging due to an ongoing shortage of inventory, especially in the entry-level and move-up home segments where competition remains really intense. This week, Annapolis inventory declined 5% to 228 properties for sale with a median list price of $755,000. We also saw 41 properties marked as coming soon this week and at a median list price of $819,900, which suggests higher end inventory continues to enter the market and sellers remain confident heading into the late spring market. Buyer activity strengthened with 40 new contracts going under contract in 10 days at a median list price of $625,000. That increase in pending activity shows buyers are still active despite interest rate pressures and are continuing to compete for homes that are move-in ready, updated, or strategically priced. Closed sales remain strong as 22 properties sold at 100% list to sold price, which has been holding in Annapolis over the past months. And these sold in 6 days at a sold price of $606,500 median dollars. That tells us sellers who price correctly from the beginning still continue to achieve full asking price and quick results. The rental market also remains active with 54 rental properties available at a median lease price of $3,025 per month and at an average 24 days on the market thus far. Rising rental rates continue to create conversations for many tenants about whether home ownership may provide greater long-term financial stability. The unfortunate thing is if you want to live in Annapolis, you got to pay the price. While overall inventory declined again this week, demand continues to outpace supply for well-priced homes in desirable neighborhoods. Buyers who are financially prepared and understand current market trends are in the strongest position to compete successfully when new listings hit the market. Acting quickly, staying flexible, and working with an experienced representation remain critical in today's environment. For sellers, the data continues to support strategic confidence. Inventory remains relatively limited in homes that are properly prepared, staged, and marketed, along with pricing according to the market conditions, are still producing strong contract activity and full-priced offers. Today's buyers are value conscious and educated, so presentation and pricing matter more than ever. Are you curious about housing values in your neighborhood? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 15th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.